In this video, I'm back with my 2007 Ford Edge. I'm gonna show you how to replace the rear windshield wiper. It's super easy, and mine is totally shredded. So I've got a new one here. I got the Bosch one, and you're just gonna pull up on the arm, and it doesn't come out too far. And then you're gonna just push this out. This is a bar that comes across here. It's just gotta pop out. So it takes a bit of force, but it'll just come right out like that. And then we've got the new one. We'll go ahead and line that up correctly, and it'll fit right in here. And it says, on this one, it says Bosch right side up, so you know it's the right way. And then this bar going across here just slides up into that tab, and it'll pop, it'll click in. And so, there we go. Now you got a whole new rear windshield wiper. Easy peasy, you got this.